Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make magic ribs. First of all, we need the following ingredients: scallion, garlic, ginger, ribs, cooking wine, oil, sugar, salt, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and vinegar. Then cut the scallion into short pieces. Cut the end of the garlic and remove the peel of garlic. Prepare 4 to 5 slices of ginger and dice the garlic into small particles. Boil the water, and in the meantime, wash the ribs. Cut the ribs. When the water is boiled, put all of the ribs into the boiled water and continue to cook them. Don't forget to cover the lid. That would help you cook them faster. After about 15 minutes, the ribs are hard-boiled, and then take them out and cool them down in a new bowl. First of all, heat your wok, and then put all the ribs into the wok. Stir the ribs in the wok slowly in order to remove all the water on the surface. Add about 15 ml cooking wine and continue to stir them. Then add about 10 ml oil. Continue to stir them in the wok. After that, add the sliced ginger, garlic, and scallion. Again, stir them slowly in the wok. The next, add some salt and generally stir them again. Now, let's add some light soy sauce and continue to stir them. Now we need to add some sugar. And then add the dark soy sauce. As you can see, the ribs color has significantly changed into dark brown after adding dark soy sauce. In the end, add some vinegar. Finally, take all the ribs out of the wok and put them into a new plate. Here you go. Good appetite! Hey guys, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.